Hey guys, it's Chris, and here we are in my computer room on the other side here, working with the 3000. I got this package from Wales today, and inside is something really cool, and you guys should check it out and support it if you can. This package is from Rioter Computers in Rioter, Wales. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I found this site actually from a Reddit post. Someone had a really cool something, and I asked where they got it from, and they told me this place. So I went online, I checked them out. I'll put the link in the description below, and I contacted the person, just general conversation, asking how long it takes, stuff like that. And when I got it, the guy's name is James. He's really nice. He makes all these things by hand, so you should check it out. But here's what I ordered. I got myself a OS 3.1.4 Kickstart mousepad. Really good quality. It's not painted, it's in the fabric of the top layer. I also got the 3.1 ROM mousepad, and I only got 4 things. The Amiga Workbench 1.2 coaster, and my favorite thing of all, an Amiga Workbench keychain floppy disk. It's not a real floppy, but it's hard one-piece plastic, hand printed, I guess. It's painted, really good quality. I like it. So anyway, their website has a bunch of stuff. It's just a shameless plug, but the cool thing about this site is what it says right here. Let me zoom in. I don't have my capture card hooked up, so you just have to bear with me. So it's riotercomputers.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description. They supply mouse mats, mugs, retro-related material, all made to a high specification. We now have a one-price postage option. Add as many items to your cart and only pay one shipping price. Thanks, James. No matter how many items you order, it is one price postage. £3 to the United Kingdom, £5 Europe, £8 the rest of the world, $10. Whoopity-doo-dah. I'm going to change my price to my currency, US dollars. And let's say, for example, here, you can see on this side, they have Commodore 64, different things. ZX Spectrum, yes, Euro guys, I said ZX. Atari, Apple, Amstrad, Amiga, ST, Arcade, Metal Science stickers, coasters, Coleco, Saturn, Acorn, Nintendo, PC Engine, metal marquees, and clothes. So what I'm interested in is the Amiga stuff, and I went into the mugs first. They got like a D-Paint mug, a couple Disney Cats, the Alligator, Lemmings, Steel Sky, a couple different ones, the US Gold mug. Yeah, I like the D-Paint one. On badges, they have like the Commodore badge. I was going to get the Commodore badge to stick on this IBM monitor on the 3000 to make it say Commodore. Amiga mats. These are the mouse pads. Plenty. Check them out for yourself. Balls to God. Kickstart 1331, 314, the blue Amiga screen, Archon, Battle Squadron, a Boing mat, different games. I like the Commodore inside and the Boing Ball guy. I like the Commodore inside a lot. That's going to be one of my next ones. So they have metal marquees. I mean, all sorts of stuff. And the guy James says he makes them all himself. Nothing's, it's not outsourced. It's all him. And I'm like, okay, I'll give it a shot. So it took about a week to ship after I ordered, because he has to make all this stuff if he doesn't have it in stock. And it shipped on the 21st. I got it a couple days ago. Today's the 3rd of February. I think I got it like Thursday or Friday of last week. So now I got the 3000 with the 3.1.4, the pregnant mouse. Don't worry about the kilowatt meter. Some bling, a coaster. I mean, it just makes it. So you're probably wondering, hey Chris, normally you're behind pink insulation. What's up with that? Did you like brick your wall? Actually, no. Cleared out some my kids' toys and stuff, and I made my desk here. So I have the Morpho S machine and the other machine below it. I have the 3000 currently in the corner there, and this is all powered by renewable energy. My regular PC and the mess of my normal broadcast desk, and my 2000 and its mess and all the crap underneath, and the paint and the supplies and my shelf of parts from years of service being an Amiga repair technician back in the 90s. So yeah, it's still there. I'm just focusing on using this side, and I might even move it over. I ran over to this jack here. I just made that. I drilled through the wall and went back down this hallway here. Don't mind him. And I went down this hallway, and it's actually solar powered. It runs off of my solar array. I just ran an outlet right to the inverter. But anyway, I was thinking about taking the G5 and putting it down the bottom next to the other doily covered original machine that was here that blew up, and put the G5 down there so I can just have the monitor there, and then like the 3000 and the 2000 or whatever, or the 500. I don't know yet. I got the 2002 monitor. It'll fit, you know, right in the middle here. I can even see how it looks. Let's do that. So there's a Commodore 2002 monitor. So sits a little low. Guess I could squish the 2000 there, or a 2000, 3000 MorphOS. But kind of neat, nice shot. And the 3.1 mouse pad, really cool. Or I can sit the 2000 on the bottom, the 3000 above it in the monitor, but then I don't have HDMI. So I really need more than an 8-foot table, and that's the problem. This is an 8-foot table, and yeah, but it's a heck of a lot nicer looking at a white brick wall than it is my messy monitor, which I will clean one day, and all of my pink stuff until I get the drywall done. So that's it for now. I just wanted to give you that quick update on Rioter Computers in Wales. Check them out in the link description below. I am not sponsored, although if you want to send me some stuff, that's cool too, but I'm going to be ordering again, and I think you guys should too. So check them out if you can, and thanks for watching. Take care.